In this video, I will be going through this worksheet. Make sure that you have the worksheet with you and have a green pen to make corrections and take notes. So the questions I will be focusing today is question 2, question 5, as well as question 6. So for question 5, you have the PM and AM written on the watch. However, you need to think about which part of the day the time actually falls in. So don't just directly translate AM as 上午 or 早上 or PM as 下午 because PM could be 晚上. So the first one is given to you as an example. As you can notice, you always have the less specific time first, so the parts of the day first, and then the exact time. 半 is the word for half past. Second one, 9 a.m. it should be 早上9点. 3:40 p.m. so that should be 下午3点40分. Okay, some of you, when you write the word 分, you do it like that. No, it's not correct. So this bit should not go up, so it should be fully kept down. Okay, now this one is the key one. Many of you made a mistake in this one and did not notice it when you check the answers. So for 2 o'clock, it should be 2点, not 2点. So 2:25 in the afternoon is 下午2点25分. 下午2点25分. Okay. And the next one, 8:50 a.m. So that should be 早上8点50分. Okay, so that's question 2. Most of you did roughly okay for question 2, but for question 5, so I can see more mistakes in question 5. So you need to have a textbook with you to check the words if you're not 100% confident with the characters. So here, the example 1, 今天 means today, and 星期四 Thursday, so it's saying today is Thursday. And it's correct because you can see Thursday here, so this is the Thursday timetable. So it's correct. Number 2, 我有5节课. You haven't learned this yet, but because you got the 5 and you got the 课 for lessons, you probably can work out the meanings anyway. So it means 5 lessons or like 5 periods. So 节 is the word we're going to learn in the next lesson. 节 means measure word for lessons, periods. Okay, so 我有5节课 means I have 5 lessons. 好，1、2、3、4、5 so it's correct. 3, 我今天有中文课，今天 today. Because it's already said, 今天 today is Thursday, and then you know Thursday, 中文, so this one is also correct. I have Chinese lessons on Thursday, so I have Chinese lesson today. Number 4, 上午10点10分是中文课. Now this structure, you need to know that the first bit is talking about a time. 上午10点10分 10:10 in the morning. And then the structure of the question is like this time, and then is, and then this lesson. So at this time, it is Chinese lesson. So at what time? 10:10 in the morning. So let's look at it. Chinese lesson is this one. However, at 10:10, this person is having 英文 English, so it's not correct. So 上午10点10分是英文课. It should be 英文课. Or you change it to 8:50. 早上8点50分是中文课. So that one is incorrect. Now number 5. First, you work out the whole part of the time, which is here. And it's saying 下午2点20分. So in the afternoon at 2:20, and then I have 音乐课 music lesson. So let's see. 2:20 is here and 音乐课. So this one is correct. That's question 5. You need to be more patient with the questions. If you feel like, oh, I don't know the answer straight away, you just need to look more carefully and understand the question better and look at what's the information that's given to you. Okay, now number 6. Answer the questions using timetable or complete the answers in characters. The first one, what day of the week is it today? So it's at 星期五. So 今天是星期五. It's the example that's given to you. Number 2, how many lessons do you have today? So it's already given the measure word 节 here and the lessons periods, subjects here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 lessons. And you need to say I and then have 我有 and then 5 我有5节课. Now number 3, do you have Chinese lesson today? And you can see here is Chinese lesson. So I today 我今天 don't forget that you need to say 有 have and then 中文课. So I have Chinese lesson today. Number 4, if yes, what time is Chinese? So at 10:10 is the start of Chinese lesson. And you can see you actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blanks. And 10:10 is 10点10分. Now you need to think, oh, how do I fill up 6 blanks with only 4 characters? You can add the period of the day, which is morning, 上午. And then you say 10点10分. Okay, number 5. What time do you have English? Okay, so from the question, you can see the time is already given to you. 上午8点50分. So at 8:50. And then you can find the word for English here and just fill it in. 英文. Now number 6, what time is music? So you can see the music is here and the time is 11:10. And again, it's got a lot of blanks. So you still need to add the parts of the day, which is late morning, 上午. And then you add 11:10. Make sure that you write 11 right, 11. And then you say 点, and then 10分. So 上午11点10分 is music, 是音乐课. Okay, so I hope you've also learned some sentence structures from the exercise, such as how to say, oh, today I have this lesson. Also, at this time is this lesson. Or, so at this time I have this lesson. Okay, so that's the structures that you can learn from this exercise. I have noticed that some of you only just ticked it right or wrong, just tick and cross, but did not actually correct the answers. You must correct the answers. You need to learn from the right answers and make sure that you understand what's the right answer and why this answer is right and why yours is wrong. So therefore, you will not make the same mistake again. Okay, that's it.